Okay, so the first thing we want to do when we're looking at these problems is we want to decide what kind of quadrilateral are we looking at. And in this picture, we can see that it is a rectangle because there are 4 right angles and you can also see that the opposite sides are congruent to each other. So we're going to say rectangle. Now we want to use that fact to end up solving for x, okay? So what do we know about rectangles? Well, I just kind of said it. The opposite sides are congruent to each other. So that means this side here is congruent to this side, and this side is congruent to this side. Now, how can we use that to our advantage? Well, congruent also means equal, right? So we can say that 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 7. And now that we've written our equation out, we can solve for x, okay? So we're going to draw our line down the equal sign. We want to move all of our numbers to the right side, so let's add 3 to both sides first. It's going to cancel right here. We're left with 5x on the left-hand side equals 3x, and then 7 plus 3 is 10. Now what do we want to do? We want to get all the x's on the other side. So I need to move this 3x over to the left side. And remember, opposite operations, we're going to subtract for these to cancel. 5x minus 3x gives us 2x equals, and then 10 is left on the right-hand side. And now we just do the opposite operation. 2 and x are multiplying, so we need to do the opposite, which is divide both sides by 2. These 2's cancel over here. We're left with x equals, and 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. So that's our final answer.